Today we are going to learn how we can do our work very easily and efficiently in a short period of time using the function keys from F1 to F12 that are present in the keyboard. And it will help you all to find so many shortcuts that will ease your work. These keys are increase our computer capabilities. The image shown here is the laptop computer's keyboard. We cannot use applications of function keys by pressing them only. For the application of function keys on your work, you have to press the FN key along with function key because the function keys only work when FN key is pressed along with them. Now let's learn about the tricks and shortcuts of function keys which will help to strengthen your work. When I click the help menu on the menu bar of Microsoft Office software, the ribbon of the help menu will be obtained. In that ribbon, we should click the icon with question mark. It will help you to solve your doubts on your work or the function of the application software. So, if you want the help function easily, you can obtain it by clicking F1 key. And the window for the help function will open directly. While I was working, I didn't know how to insert page number. So I clicked the search bar and typed as page number. You will obtain information how to insert page number and in which side it should be applied, etc. In some computers, the help menu doesn't shows up, so you can obtain them easily by clicking F1 key. Next, we are going to see about F2 key. This key would help to change the name of files, folders, and images easily. We usually rename by right-clicking the image or file or folder and selecting the rename icon. But you can directly press F2 key and change the folder, files or image name very quickly. It will save your valuable time. Normally, if we need to obtain print preview function, first we will click the file, then print finally display the print preview window. But when we are busy with heavy work, the easy way to display the print preview section is by clicking the keys Ctrl and F2 together. Now we are going to see the F3 key. So when we open page of an article or file or folder, then press F3 key, a search box will appear on the page, and when you type some words on the record space, the words will be highlighted. So you can see when I type have, only one have is highlighted in the among the words on the page. Then we'll try another word and. You can see that the word and which are present in the passage are highlighted in yellow color. Due to this shortcut method, we can easily find words or sentence whatever we need. In Microsoft Word, if we need to change a highlighted word, sentence or paragraph to uppercase, lowercase or sentence case, we can get by pressing Shift and F3 key. When we click Shift and F3 key, sentence case is formed. Click again uppercase, then click lowercase is displayed by pressing same keys again and again. Next key is F4 key. When we are watching something on a web browser, and if you need copy or cut the URL by pressing F4 key, the URL will be immediately highlighted, and also by press arrow keys we can see the former website we watched recently. And if we want to close the active program window, it can be done by clicking Alt and F4 key. Next we are going to see about F5 key. When a page or web browser doesn't load, we press the refresh menu and obtain by right clicking the mouse, and then can we reload the page. To do it directly, press F5 key. Without wasting our valuable time, we can refresh our active web pages or documents easily. In a computer and laptops, the current date and time are displayed on the bottom right corner of the screen. We can also get the current date and time by typing as a press 5 on the notepad. When we click the F5 key on the presentation slide menu, then we can move to presentation view very quickly. This is the easy way to presentation for the PowerPoint slide. Next, we are going to see about F6 key. This key helps to highlight the URL in the web browser. This will help us to copy and paste the URL to another place, and also to delete the former URL and type a new one in short time. Next key is F7. Let's see about the function. In MS Office document, F7 helps for checking spelling and grammar. If you have issues in spelling, we can use this key. We normally press the review menu on the menu bar of the word processing software and clicking the spelling and grammar icon on the ribbon to obtain the spelling and grammar checking window. But by pressing F7 key, we can easily get the spelling and grammar checking window quick as possible. You can see on this page so many words are underlined by red lines. If the words are underlined by red line, it means those words have wrong spelling and grammar. By spelling the correct words, we can replace them with the wrong ones. This would be easy for the persons who are lack of English knowledge. After the process finishes, show as spelling and grammar checking complete. Window is showing. We are going to see the next key is F8. When using the computer, if it gets stuck, we shut down the computer. And when we turning on again by clicking F8, the menu for modes will open, and by clicking save mode on the window, we can make the computer run and process safely. During the use of save mode, most of the application could be finished without having errors. There are no specific function for F9 key. So let's learn about the next key. Next key is F10. In Microsoft Word, when we click F10, the menu bar will get activated. The bar next to the title bar is menu bar. When the menu bar get activated, English letters forms. Under each menu, by clicking each letters, the ribbon under the menu will open, which also have English letters, and by pressing those English letters, we could do our work easily. By pressing Shift key with F10, we can obtain the same menus which are also obtained by right-clicking the mouse. During the working time, when there is no mouse, this method will help you to get the menus easily displayed by right-clicking the mouse. Next key is F11. When we open a page or a file, and if we want to maximize the size of the page, we need to press F11, and if we want to minimize the size of the page by pressing F11, its size will get minimized. Now you can see this window runs by when clicking F11 key and turns small. Again clicking the F11 key, getting big. This will help to change small window to large one and large window to small one immediately. Next, let's learn about the last function key F12. This key helps to save files and folders immediately. When click the F12 key, the window represented as Save As dialog box will appear. Then we need to find the suitable location to save the file, and also by giving the required file name, clicking Save. We can save file folder perfectly. We normally save file in Word by selecting the F file menu in menu bar, then selecting Save As, and by giving the path of the file. It will be saved correctly, but this takes so much time to save a file. By clicking Ctrl with F12 key, we could open the Open dialog box easily. And if we need to open a file immediately, this method will help to do it in a very short time. When we press Shift with F12 key, it will help you to save the file that you were currently working on. When we press Shift with F12 key, the dialog box named as Save the File will appear, and by giving the required file name, the file can be easily saved. I believe that the information I shared today will be helpful for all the viewers. Use these function keys to finish your work in a short time. And if you all find any extra information related to this, please share them with me in the comment box below. Thank you for all of your support. Please like and share.